Hi, Adam. All right, so here is a video to help you with your new sort at home this week. I know that you've kind of jumped a lot of the patterns leading up to this because now we have you in that hippos group. So I can make you a video for the first couple weeks to kind of help you get settled in with it. So this week we're working on 3 groups. We have short E, CVC. What does short E say? Good. Short E makes the eh sound. I always think it's a sound you might make if you don't hear somebody. You might say eh. And it has the CVC, the consonant, vowel, consonant pattern. Then we have 2 new groups, and they're both called CVVC. And they both make the long E sound. So these 2 groups are going to sound the same, but they're going to look and be spelled different. So this first CVVC group is spelled EA, and the second CVVC group is spelled EE, or double E. Both of them are going to make the long E sound again. I always like to remind friends of this rule for the CVVC patterns. When 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking and says its name. So when you have a word that E and A are walking together in the word, this week the E is going to talk and it's going to say its name. So it's going to say E, and he won't let his friend A talk. In this pattern, again, when you see double E walking together in a word, the first E is going to talk, and it's going to say its name, E, and not let the second E talk. So they're kind of bossy, those first vowels. Okay, we've got some words on the side, and 2 words belong to each of these groups. So let's first start by looking for which words belong in the short E CVC group. And these are all words from your sort. So go ahead and say it out loud if you spy a word that belongs in the short E, it says eh, and has the CVC pattern. Can you find the other one? There's 2 of them. Good. So we have west. We can stretch it out like bubblegum to hear that shorty. West. And we can see it has a CVC pattern. The first consonant is W. Then it has the E for the vowel in the middle. And then it has that blend, ST, 2 consonants together. Even though it's 2 letters, we still count them as 1 consonant sound because it's a blend. Can you find the other one? Great job. Next also goes in this group. We can stretch it out like bubblegum and hear that short E. Next. And again, it has 1 consonant to start with N, the vowel E, and then this one has the blend XT at the end of it. Good. All right, let's move on to long EA CVVC. So these words are going to say E, and they're going to have a consonant, double vowel, consonant pattern. There are 2 words over here that belong in that group. Can you find them? Say them out loud. Good. Here's one. Clean. Let's stretch it out. Clean. And you can see it has the double vowel, has the 2 consonants, a blend at the beginning, CL, double vowel, EA, and then another consonant, N at the end. What's the other one that belongs in that group? Which other one has the EA pattern? Good eye, leaf. Let's stretch it out. Leaf. And again, it has a consonant, double vowel, and another consonant. No blends in that one. The last 2 words belong in the long double E CVVC group. Remember, the first E is going to talk and say its name. So we have J-eep. You can hear that long E. And it's got consonant, double E, and then another consonant. And teeth. T-eeth. And this one's got consonant T, double E, and then a blend TH at the end. Nice work. All right. And then in my last video, I taught you how you can chart your words. Oh, looks like I forgot to change this. Sorry, this should be CVVC. There we go. Okay, so we have the CVC group, and then we have CVVC. Now, I know there are 2 different spellings for the CVVC pattern. You can put them in the same chart, like I'm going to do here, or you can make 2 different charts that both say CVVC, CVVC. All right, so let's start with the CVC, the short E words. Our two words are west and next. So we're going to write them in the chart. So I first start by thinking, what's the first consonant in west? It's a W. So I'll put that in the consonant column. Then I think about what's the vowel in west? E. And then what's the last consonant or consonant blend in west? ST. Good job. They both go in the same group. All right, now let's try next. So we have N is my first consonant. Then E is my vowel. And then at the end, I have another blend, XT. Great job. All right, let's do the CVVC words. So let's start right here with clean. What's the first consonant or consonant blend in clean? Good catch. CL, it's a blend. And then we have our two vowels, E and A. And then our last consonant, clean, N. Let's try leaf. So our first consonant is L. First vowel, E. Second vowel, A. And last consonant, F. All right, let's switch to the CVVC double E words. So we have teeth. First consonant, T. Now our two vowels are going to be E, E. And then what's that last consonant there? I hope you said TH, catching that there's a blend. Nice work. We have one more, sleep. What's the first consonant? That's right, it's a blend, SL. Then our double E. And then the last consonant, P. Great. So you can do this with all of your words as a choice to practice your spelling words one of these nights this week. So I know on our sheet it says you should practice at least 2 different ways, and it has that chart with all the different choices, those boxes. This is a different one that's not on there. It doesn't work with all the sorts, so I don't list it as one of the choices, but it is one for this week because it does work with it. All right, so just a reminder, our 3 groups are short E, CVC, say eh, long EA, CVVC, they say E, and long EE, CVVC, E. Remember that saying that helps you remember, when 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking and says its name. Bye, Adam. Have a great week practicing.